Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Matt Plays Your Games. Today we're going to try and get through a few, but let's just get right into it. Starting with Dora Diginoid. So Agent Dora Zero is on a mission at Base 17 to destroy the Diginoid monsters and save the future of the Earth. Dora Diginoid is a sci-fi Metroidvania game where you explore the Base 17, equip weapons and eliminate the Diginoid monsters. Animals turn into robots. Can you survive? Can you save the Earth? So this looks quite interesting, so let's just get right into it. So this looks good. Let's press start. Agent Dora Zero. Mission: destroy the Diginoids. Destination: Base 17. Landing in 3, 2, 1. Well, this looks good. I like the style of this. Oh, here we go. This is very cool. Okay, here we are. I guess we go down here. Help. Can I click that for help? Oh, okay, I can shoot. So that's left click. Jump. Can I crouch? Nope. Okay. So I guess we'll just keep going this way. Picked something up. Oh, I think it's up here, maybe laser rockets. Oh, I think I just used up all my rockets. Okay. Okay, I can double jump. It's good to know. Let's maybe go up here. It's a little bit slidey when you land. Okay, here we go. What's this? Do I shoot this? How do I use the lasers? Probably should have looked at the controls if there were any. Okay, so I don't think I can go in there just yet. So let's go over here this way instead. I didn't go left yet, did I? Okay, so there's no full damage as well, which is good to know. It says help. Does that mean I can get help? Ah, yeah, press F. Okay. Do not waste your weapon ammo. That was it's a little bit late for that. Okay. Okay, so F is to interact, so I maybe should have pressed F on that door over there. So I guess let's go try that again. F? No, that doesn't do anything. Okay. Go somewhere else first then. I don't know what this is up here. I don't know how to use lasers. Can't do anything with this. So yeah, let's just go left, see what's down this way. It seems dark down here. Oh, that damaged me. Okay, don't jump into that then. Oh, it's following me now. Help. Do not waste your weapon ammo. Okay. Oh, I thought I jumped over that. Is this construction site? This door requires 10 atoms. Okay. Is that what these are? Up in the top left? The atoms, maybe? Music stopped. Oh, I meant to be up here. Maybe? I don't know. Well, I'm in now, I think. I'm somewhere. Oh, I'm taking damage. Oh, there's a bat there that I can't see. I don't know if I'm meant to be here. I don't think I am. No, I think I jumped out the world. Okay, let's start that again. Okay, so press start. Let's not waste my rockets this time. And then maybe I can shoot down the door? I don't know. Because this started at 3 and it went to 4, but I don't know where I got the 4th one from. I think I did see some purple balls on the left, which maybe I meant to collect. So let's go there. Maybe they're the atoms I need to open doors. There, yeah, that's probably where I got it from. Oh, I just shot. Don't know how I did that. There we go. I just did it again. Okay. Don't know why that's happening. But I've got 5 now. 7. I need 10. Okay, so I need 3 more. I've learned don't go up to the left there. That breaks the game. Let's go back this way then, I guess. Oh, that's a dead end. There's no secret in there. Nothing with that. Yeah, I don't think there's anything up here, was there, other than this door? No, and I can't interact with that by the looks of it. I think that's my health there, I just realised. I'm very nearly dead. Yeah, so I don't know where I'm meant to go then. I think the purple thing's probably atoms. I think I need 3 more. I just don't know where I'm meant to get any more from. Oh, I died. Yeah, I don't know what I'm meant to do. I don't know whether it's really obvious as well, I'm just being stupid or not, I don't know. But yeah, I can't see. Let's look at the controls, I guess. Oh, I can't click on the controls. Okay, never mind. Okay, well I might have to leave this one here. Just because I don't really know what I'm meant to be doing, unfortunately, which is a shame because this does look like a good game. But again, I don't know what I'm meant to be doing, and I don't really have a lot of time. But thank you so much for submitting this, though. It does look very good. And sorry I couldn't figure it out, but that's just how it is. But then, thank you for submitting. And let's just get on with the next one. So up next, we have Unreal Fazbear Entertainment Destroyed. So this is a FNAF fan game. So let's just get right into it and hit play. So here we are. This looks good. Let's go into the settings. Or not, I can't seem to do that. So let's just press play then. Pick up Head Freddy and escape. In 2 minutes the door opens. Okay. Can I use my flashlight? Yeah, there we go. Oh, okay. Am I dead? Oh, I'm dead. Okay, that didn't go well. Let's not go that way then, I guess. Oh no, he's there now. So pick up Head Freddy. Oh, he's there now. Oh, oh no, this isn't. Oh, there's 2. Oh no, is that Head Freddy? I don't know what. Is this it? I think I've got it. Maybe. Well, I just have to survive for 2 minutes. Keep running laps. Is there anywhere I can hide? He's still chasing me. Well, he's there, but he's there. Oh, well, this isn't going to end well. I don't think I'm playing this properly. I don't think this is what I'm meant to do. Can I get in here? Oh, nope. Okay, can I get in a locker? No, I think I've lost them. What's happening? Game's frozen. Did I die? What happened? It's a cutscene. Oh, did I do it? Okay, I think I might have done it. That's terrifying. Oh, he's covered in blood. Okay. Right, so let's go this way, I guess. I'm hoping that's also a checkpoint. I'm just in a cave now. Oh no. There's also Freddy's about. He's killed that one. I'm just gonna assume I can go past him. I don't want to touch him though, just in case that does kill me. Do I fix the fuse? Nope. I'll just go past it. Party time, you ready? Probably not. Everything looks like it's been burned. Okay, oh. I can't seem to jump either. Do I not go this way? I can't seem to interact with them or jump over them. Can I push it out of the way? I think I might be able to eventually push it out of the way and get through. Hopefully, there we go. Cool. Okay, let's just keep going, I guess. I'm worried something's going to be hiding around one of these corners. Okay, so where are we now? Like at the top of the trees. Okay, there's a lift. Oh, I fell over. Oh, just realized find the elevator to get to Fazbear Fright. So I found it, and it went off without me. Was that it? I think I might have done it. It just ended, took me back to the main menu. Okay, I think I did it then. That's cool. So a nice little short game there. It's a very good start, so nice work. So I think we've probably got time for one more, so I will play another one. So I'll quit this and I'll find another one to play. So this one is called Battle of Beans. A game called Battle of Beans that we made in a week. It's all about top-down and survival. Okay. So the game stands on a wave system that makes the game harder after each wave. Weapons will be spawned in a random location at a random time. Also spells do. Some enemies give you weapons after their death to give extra ammo. This game is infinite, you can play it to the wave you want, and this is just the first version of the game, updates will come. Okay, that's cool, sounds very interesting, so let's hit play. So here we are, let's go on the settings, so all looks good. How to play, okay, so WSD movement, power use is X, C and V, okay, camera rotation is Q and E, reload is R, space jump, shift sprint, 1 and 2 weapon switch, F interact. Okay, let's press play. Wave 1. Okay, oh, we're playing as a little kind of capsule type thing. Okay, so weapon switch. I haven't got any yet. There's a pistol. F. There we go. Okay, oh, it rotates like that. Okay, that's cool. And yeah, that's the camera rotation. Okay, this is cool. So, I think it's started. I've got my powers down here. Cool, there we go. What's another one there? I'm out, am I? Oh no, reloaded. Okay, oh, there's some behind me as well. That was a lot. There we go. Get them. Reloading again. Turn the camera around. It's kind of cool. Can I get this ammo? Or was that just picked up as another gun? Okay. Is there anywhere to heal, maybe? This is cool though. I've not seen one in this kind of style before like this. So this is cool. I like this. It's nice. I go in here. I can, but I can't see anything, so it's probably not the best place to be. Yeah, see if there's any health lying around anywhere, because I could do with some already. I'm only on wave 2. I'm already nearly dead. Obviously not the best at this game. Oh, I keep forgetting I can sprint, can't I? Just run backwards shooting these guys. I'm gonna die. I'm not very good at this game. Let's see if I can get them before dying. Oh, only just. I've got one slither of health left. Yeah, so at wave 2, 11 kills. I'm on wave 3 now, but I'm going to die, aren't I? I haven't even got any powers. No. Try to use them, I haven't got any. Okay, so the next enemy I see, oh, they're right there. Oh, okay, I think they spawn in those houses then. So when I was walking into them, that's probably a very bad idea. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, let's try again. Back to main menu, I guess, and then play. Or analysis. Okay, that's cool. Wave side 3, max kill 2. Play. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely not very good at this game, I can tell already. But it's fun though. Like I said, it's unique, I haven't seen one like this before. So I just want to find like more weapons and power-ups and stuff. I don't know where they'd be though. So let's just walk around, I guess. So maybe they spawn in. Okay, I think that sound means they've spawned. Yeah, there they are. There's one at least anyway. Cool. Oh, behind me. Okay. Turn the camera around. Oh no. This isn't going well for me. There we go. Nearly half health again already, and I'm only just starting wave 2. So yeah, this isn't good. Oh, there's another weapon. There we go, this is better. That's much better. Oh, that's a fence. Okay. Yeah, this is much better than the pistol. Doesn't do as much damage, I don't think, but obviously it has a much faster fire rate. Oh, what's this? Okay, this is a power. I'm going to use it. I don't know what it does. Oh, am I faster? Am I invincible? I'm not invincible. I took damage. I think I'm faster though. This is cool. Okay, so I'm actually finding stuff now. Here we go. Here's more stuff. What does this one do? Is that health? Yeah, that's health. Okay, there we go. I don't know why I didn't find anything last time. It's much better now. I guess I wasn't moving them out enough last time, probably. That's some more health there. Okay, this is a lot easier now. Oh, someone there. Oh, there's loads there. Wow, okay. Like I said, now I've got proper weapons and health and different power-ups. So a lot better. Kills 18, wave 4. Okay, here we go. Where are they going to spawn from this time? Over here. Yeah, there we go. Oh, wrong way. Oh. Let's use this power up. Let's heal. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of it now. This is fun though, like I said, it's a unique style. I've not seen this kind of thing before. I thought I saw something there then. Oh, there's someone spawned in. There we go. I need to get more power-ups. Especially health one, that'd be good. So I guess just keep running around until I find some. This one there. Oh. Why did I not pick it up? Thought I did. Oh, I didn't pick it up again. Oh, no, I'm dead here. Oh no. Oh, so close. He was about one hit off and there was health right in front of him. That was close. Okay, I think I might leave this one here though. Let's go to the main menu, have a look at my analysis. Wave slide 5, max kills 33. It's not too bad. But like I said, I think I might leave that one here, and with that I'll probably also leave the video here. But I did really enjoy this game as well. It's very, very good. So thank you for submitting. And thank you to everyone as well who did submit their games. I'm still trying to get through them. There's still quite a lot to get through. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.